Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Patricia Bautista. Today's subject is cross stitching. We'll be working on some beginner cross stitching. I myself am a beginner cross stitching. Don't you think I'm an expert or anything like that. So we'll learn together. I have a few little tips on the needle. So if you want some help on that, just keep watching. Thank you. Bye. Okay, on this one, the hoop comes like this at the store and it's tightened. So we gotta loosen it up. The smaller piece goes on the back. As you can see, I had already used this one. And then the biggest piece goes in the front. In here, you kind of stretch out the little fabric to make it the way you want it. When it's done, and it's the way you want it, you start tightening this up. There we go. And it's all good. Here we go. And we're ready to start stitching again. Okay, here's my hoop, my needle. I'm going to be using this kind of string. I cut a piece about the length of my elbow. We're going to fold it in half. Doesn't have to be exact, just about half. Then we're going to make a little, I don't know if you can see it, just like that. We're going to grab our needle. It's going to have a big little hoop. Let's see, wait for the camera. There we go. And we're going to insert it right in through the little eye of the hoop here of the needle. And this is going to go through the needle itself. And then we're going to pull back. And that way it's secure and doesn't move. And we can start stitching. Here, let's say this is our middle. And we can go to the back. Get the needle through. Hold on to that bit so we can stitch that. We're gonna work going top left, going through, going down one so we can stitch our string that we started with. Flipping it over, comes down left, and we will go up right, and it makes our first stitch right there. Now on the back, if you flip it, we'll go right about here, so we come down right there. We're gonna go again up top left, pull through. We're gonna go down left, in the front, go up right. Now I'm going to skip a few so you can see again. Come right here. Then we'll go up top left, then down one, then top right, and we have another one. Then on the back, right here, so we come out right there, pull it out, and then top left, pull through, then again we're going to one down, pull through. That way we're stitching, see, the back, and then top right, top right, and I'll skip a few more just so you can see. Top left, oops, right there, top right, and once again right there. Oops, I'm gonna do that one right there, that way we go same way, and then top left, bottom one, top right. Now we got 6 beautiful stitches right there. Very end, to keep it all neat, just sew it underneath 2 or 3 of the stitches we already did. Just pass it through and pull, and then we can cut. There we go. It's a nice little clean stitch. Well, I hope you guys liked it. If so, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.